are going to go snorkel again and kind of recreate yesterday, minus all the stupid drama. And yeah, should be magical. Maybe we'll even see another turtle. Hey, yeah.
Hello.
Can you tell us a little bit about what the plan is for today?
As far as I know, we're going to do some more snorkeling.
Yeah. Go back maybe to the same sort of area we were last time. Maybe go a little bit further to the south. Maybe see some more turtles.
Yeah, if we're lucky.
Yeah.
Certainly see something.
Should be fun.
Underwater fun things.
Look at you enjoying your coffee and your Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
Playful. That's adventure.
Deal.
Cool dragonfly up there. There's one over here too. I don't know.
Oh, you're all cows. You got flies on your face. Hello.
Guten Morgen, cow. I don't know why I always assume that cows speak German. Is it weird to assume?
Are all cows German moo cows?
I think they are. They're all milky Holsteins. Why aren't you rapping right now?
Feels like maybe it's the equivalent of someone's yard.
Probably tell the camera about what happened yesterday when you were rapping.
Oh, well, because there's a song playing in my ear, I didn't catch it as much as you did, but apparently a gentleman was really into it from behind you.
Yeah, he was like singing along, not to the same music, but he was dancing and like bopping back and forth and being like, yo, yo, yo.
Interesting that, like, because I just lip sync, I don't actually
Yeah.
rap when I film the rap videos. So it's interesting that just the emotion of rap
Yeah,
is clearly coming across.
it was super sweet. Really cool.
The sunglasses and sun make it hard to get into stores.
The tide is much further out today. We're much later getting here. So it might take a little bit more walking to actually get out to something. But that should be interesting.
Really interesting.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Getting situated. And this is probably our final snorkeling here on Gili Air before we go back to Bali. Where we might do some more snorkeling. But yeah, end of a chapter, so to speak. So I hope you enjoy whatever footage we get right now.
That was pretty magical.
Very magical.
No turtles this time, but I think the tide's just too far out. Maybe we'll go further down the beach and get in and see what's there.
Honestly, just the formations of weird rocks and
Yeah.
coral and...
I saw a bright blue coral. Super, super bright.
Yeah.
And I saw one of those fish that's just literally like a long knife blade.
Yeah, it's crazy how much fish. I mean, it's the ocean, so of course
Yeah.
there's fish. But at the same time, like, you look at a beach and you think that there be a certain amount of scared away from human activity, hardy beachland. But yeah, 3 feet out there and you've got 10 different types of fish all around your ankles.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Boat looks angry. Boat looks hungry. It's coming to get you. What do you think?
That boat right there is pretty swell. Talk about One Piece. It's fine. It's appropriate for where we are.
I don't mind telling you the ins and outs of the stories, parts of One Piece, but I don't think the internet needs to hear it.
Well, I thought you were going to start a talk about anime channel.
Probably not.
Aw, come on. It'd be so cool. I'd watch. We just gotta be really careful where we walk, because I don't want to destroy any corals, you know?
Yeah, I feel the same way.
It's hard to avoid them, but like you're drowning and you have to empty out your thing, you know, for a piece of ground that doesn't have any coral.
Yeah.
It's hard.
I'm getting a little better at floating around while trying to adjust getting seawater out of my eyes or nose, or emptying my snorkel out, or, you know, breathing stuff, or turning the camera off for that matter, without having ground to stand on. Not that hard, because it's easy to float in seawater, especially. Seawater, salt water. It's the ocean, it's not a sea.
store behind us sells two of your favorite things.
Books and beer?
Yeah, books and beer. Pretty good combo. I've been trying to get footage of a lizard the whole trip.
Rest of them.
Oh, sorry. I'm just so caught up in the Bryan Adams.
Yeah. Flagged. This is the veggie burger. It's looking mighty delicious. You got the pumpkin curry?
I got pumpkin curry.
Oh, it's yummy too. Is that cheese on top? No, that's
No,
lettuce.
it's cabbage.
Nice.
Super
Here's delicious stuff. Dope.
That was a delicious lunch.
It was.
I got pumpkin curry, and you got a veggie burger thing, bean burger with
It said burget
pineapple?
on the
Oh, yeah.
menu. It said veg burget. So I ordered it like that. I was like, I want the veg burget. It said veggie burger? I'm like, yes. Just a typo. But
Yeah.
I thought maybe they were being cute and they named it something weird.
Yeah. Mine was called pumpkin, but it missed a P.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
It was delicious, but we've been in the water so much and we're so salty that I'm not sure if the food is extra salty or just my face is extra salty. But
Burger was neat. It had beets on it, and it had avocado, and it had pineapple, and like
an onion ring?
the burger itself was like a bean thing, and like a breaded sort of onion ring on there too. Tomato, lettuce.
Yeah.
There's a lot going on, and it got kind of sloppy after a couple bites, but I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Although it is weird to eat a burger because
Yeah.
that's not a very local cuisine.
Oh, it was though. It was made very local.
Yeah, it's a
With smushed up
unique
beans.
local
That's how we
take
do.
on thing.
So we do at home as well. Anyway, next we are gonna head back to our place for a second. Maybe jump on the bikes and
Yeah, we're gonna
get
try
ourselves
to
some.
use our bicycles
beers.
for the first time.
Yeah, so we'll pick it back up there.
Cool. Hey, cows. How's it cowing? Sorry, I'm intruding. How about you? How are you cowing? Have a cow, man. Have all the cows. Hey there.
Hey.
Little pool lady.
It's nice and cool in here after being in the ocean.
Yeah.
The ocean's a boiling hot pool of hotness.
This is all true.
Yeah.
I'm likely to join you shortly.
Good job.
Yeah.